Hey there guys, today I'll be doing part 2 of my 21 impressions. Here we go. Bullwinkle. Hey Rocky, watch me put a rabbit out of my hat. See? And RJ Chan. No, sorry, Hugsy. Scooby-Doo. Raggy? Raggy. Ruh-roh. Oh no. Shaggy. Oinks, oinks, man. Let's get out of here, Scooby. Where, Raggy? Let's roll. Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh. Life is so sad, isn't it? I can't bother rebuilding my home. Tweety Bird. I thought I saw a putty cat. I did see a putty cat. Pepe Le Pew. I'm little friend Skunk. No, not Pew, not Pew. Pepe Le Pew. Little pussycat. Bonnie Rowe. Hey Fred, how's it going? Oh, I don't know. Fred, I don't think Betty might like that. Okay guys, and that was 21 impressions with Bois Bird. Bye bye.